If your printer eats paper like a picky toddler, you're not alone. Let's turn that stubborn feeder into your new best friend. First, unplug your printer. Safety first. Now open the document feeder. Check for any stuck paper or dirt inside. If you see debris, gently remove it. Next, grab a clean, lint-free cloth. Dampen it just a little with water. Wipe down the feeder rollers to remove dust and smudges. Let the rollers dry for a few minutes. Plug the printer back in and turn it on. Place a single sheet of paper in the feeder. Press copy or scan. If it pulls the paper, you're all set. Still not working? Double check that the paper isn't curled or wrinkled. Try a different stack of paper. Sometimes it's just the paper, not the printer. If the problem continues, check your printer's menu for reset or feeder clean options. Running a maintenance cycle can fix minor issues, and if all else fails, check your user manual for support or contact HP directly. That's it. Fast, simple steps to get your HP document feeder working again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips.